I just enjoyed writing. It was great writing The Child Horse. It was amazing. I just felt relaxed. I felt that pleasure. I felt like something had been lifted off my back. I mean, I love writing as it is. And the more I enjoyed it, the more I felt good, the best that came out of me. Hi, my name is Tandon. I'm a LITKIDS influencer, and today my session was on writing stories. My book, The Child Horse, just recently got published. So I was 10 and a half when I started writing, and then 11 and a half when I finished. I know, it took me way too long. I love anything to do with space apart from writing. And now I'm decided to write about space, taking non-fiction and giving it a twist of some sort of story-like figure kind of thing. So when that comes out, please go buy it. So the first thing I like to do is I like to think about my outline of the story. I always found that knowing my outline helped me write my book. It helped me stay on the right track. And sometimes I would like to write down my outline, and I found that brainstorming my ideas onto some paper, just so I don't forget, would be really nice. Sometimes they went into great detail and sometimes they didn't. For example, in The Child Horse, I wrote down, there's a horse, and then I might write some really nice sentence that I thought of just like that. Because sometimes you do have those light bulb moments. And I found that brainstorming ideas on some paper and thinking about them, your outline, is extremely important. I never put myself under pressure of time. And that is what helped my book shine. Sometimes I did pressurize myself and I hated it. I just didn't enjoy the pleasure of writing. And when you find that you put yourself under pressure of any sort, you really don't do it to your best of ability, even though you try to. So I found myself to relax, knowing that nothing wrong is going to happen to me if I take way too long. It took me a year. So another thing I like to think about is my characters. I found that I knew my characters as if I was their diary. And I knew them from inside out, and knowing that helped me not get confused as to what they liked. In the beginning, I found that I didn't really become their diary, and that really caused some confusion. But after I realized, wait, I should properly think, it helped by a lot. And if you're writing, I think you should too. Pace and length of my sentences was something I had to keep in mind. If I didn't, I'd go wrong. If you want the reader to feel like something was going super fast, then you would have a series of short sentences with no adjectives at all, unless necessary. For example, if you were on a relaxed picnic in a beautiful garden, then I would have a long descriptive sentence to show the peace in it. But if I was in a war, like in the book, I would have a series of short sentences. It'd be like, I ran and there's fire and da-na-na-na. Because it makes the reader read fast and your brain automatically makes things go fast. So it really helps the reader have that experience. I wrote The Child Horse after seeing a war film of which you had to use horses in war, and this was way back. That was then. You didn't have machine guns then. And I saw many horses being shot and going down, and I was heartbroken seeing that. I just had to write it. It was a given. I didn't have to ask anyone. I just took my mom's computer and I started writing, I guess. And now I'm really happy that I wrote it, because I had no idea it was going to be published, but now it is. At least my word can be spread now. I know there's a lot about horses, but I feel like there's not enough. So, war horses. So I had to write it. It was just there. I enjoy talking to you, and if you enjoy talking to me, then please subscribe to LitKids. And if you have any questions about today, then send them to litkidsindia@gmail.com, and I will see you next time. Bye!